Just did some lighting on the Tiki hut. Put a switch in right here for it. So now, turn that off. Drill through. Got the cable through, up, painted the pipe, resanded, cored the hole there. Stainless steel screws, T-boxed over. Took power in. Power back up, cord up and through, ran our cable above with this light to shine that way. Ran the cable above, over to one light here, shining in, another one around to one light here, shining up, around, another light here, shining up. Took the cable around, over, cord up a little bit, went down, clamped, bent the pipe, came through, clean and around, clamped it up there, made my connections at 1 and 2 lights. Came out awesome.